Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
We're here with Aditya from FRINKS.AI. Thanks for coming on Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Thank you so
mate.
much, Paul.
Excellent. Give us a bit of a live demo on what you guys are working on here. I can see you got some biscuit analyzing going on here.
Yes, sure. So at FRINKS.AI, we have built this visual inspection platform through which we can automate any kind of quality control in production lines for any kind of manufacturer. The example that we have put here is the cookies inspection. And one of the unique thing about our technology is real-time capability, right? You will see this is a streaming video. And our AI is automatically identifying the cookie, right? Understanding if it is good and bad, and accordingly providing the judgment here on the screen. This is a good cookie. Now let's say if we have a burnt cookie, which is overcooked, you will see the texture here, it is slightly burnt, it's overcooked, the system marks it as defect. Let's say if you have a broken cookie, right? The system can automatically detect that and provide the information.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Excellent. And obviously the lighting's pretty important, how close you are to it.
Yeah. But one thing about our system is that it's very flexible in nature. So even if I cover, let's say, half of the light with my hands, the AI is intelligent enough to understand what is happening and if it is a good cookie or a bad cookie. Because a lot of real world applications demand this dynamic understanding of how the products are moving, how the lights are changing, what are the texture variations of the product. So the AI is really smart enough to take care of all of that.
Yeah, nice. And what sort of training do you need to do to set that up? And is it something the user can do?
Yes, so we have a no-code platform through which the internal team of manufacturers can take care of the complete training all by themselves. It typically takes like 100 to 200 sample products to train our AI and maybe just 4 to 5 hours to get the entire system up and running.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Excellent. And what's the system you got right behind you there?
Yeah, sure. So this is another example. Here we have a Tetra Pak and we are identifying if the label is printed or not. What are the characters printed here, and if the seal is like proper or it has any hole which could cause the leakage, right? So this is a good one. We have a proper seal here, we have the label, we have all the characters correctly. Let me replace this with a broken one. So here you will see we have smudged label. The system marks it as bad. The seal is broken, the system marks it as bad, and the characters are okay. So this is a very versatile technology. We can have our AI trained for any kind of products, from meat to cookies to chocolates to dairy products, everything that a human can currently look and identify and distinguish between a good and a bad product. Our AI can do that much more efficiently.
Yeah, I guess you could even use a label to check that it's on the right product, right? Because I've seen in some food processing places they forget to change the labels over on the wrong product.
So food compliance and safety is one of the biggest area where our technology adds value in manufacturing, especially in the foods manufacturing. We can have AI make sure that all the compliances around the labeling of the products are proper, and there is no mistake in that, because it's really important from the food safety standpoint.
Yeah, nice. And it's based on NVIDIA technology, is that right?
Yes, so our AI requires an NVIDIA-based GPU to run, and it's a completely edge-deployed system. So we place an NVIDIA GPU right on the shop floor, and the complete data remains there itself. So it's very safe and secure.
Ah, excellent. I was just talking about NVIDIA products the other day, the Spark setups and Jetson, and all the stuff they're deploying in the field with digital twins and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, very exciting stuff.
Thank you.
Enabling all this kind of stuff in industry.
Yes.
So I guess is that how it's deployed? It's basically get your box in there, set it up, integrate with your system, train it up, and away you go.
Yes. So this is this AI is completely hardware agnostic. A very simple thing. We just need a camera, a light, and a server. You can place this camera on your production line, and after we have some 100 to 200 samples data collected, you can use our no-code platform to train the AI and deploy it.
Yeah, nice.
Vertically integrated, so not only do we do the inspection, but we can automatically reject the bad products as well. So it becomes a closed loop system which doesn't require any human involvement, right? And it's very important for foods manufacturing, which is very high volume in nature, right? So you don't want any human intervention while you're running a high-speed line.
Absolutely. Excellent. So you had a good show?
Oh, amazing. We've gotten a great response from all different kind of manufacturers. And I think they truly see your value in this technology.
Nice. And I guess heading into the future, what are we going to see change here? Is it going to be higher speed, higher resolution, different applications, more versatile? What do you see?
So our research team is currently working on how do we make it more easy for different manufacturers to adapt this technology, where we are doing research on synthetic data generation, that even if you don't have samples of bad product, how can an AI automatically create those samples to make the learning process more easier and faster?
Gotcha.
We are doing research on how do we utilize different data into AI. So right now we are doing only the visual inspection on 2D as well as 3D data, but we are moving towards thermal imaging, X-ray imaging, multispectral imaging, and having AI understand that data to do the product inspections as well.
Wow.
So the future is tremendous. We have so many different problems in the industry that can be solved with the help of AI. And I think as a company, we are focused on doing that research and driving that technology change.
That's really interesting. So I guess developing your own testing models and training and simulations so you can actually train against it, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, nice. Great. Well, thanks for coming on the show.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.